where every achievement becomes inspiration. Namaskar and a very warm welcome to all our viewers. You're watching the official bulletin of DAV Senior Secondary Model School, Sector 8 Panchkula, a place where education meets excellence, values meets vision, and students shine with confidence and creativity. From culture to character, from learning to leadership, DAV 8 is building the future of India. I am Vamika Segal and joining me today is my co-anchor Anya.
Thank you, Vamika. A school is not just a building, it's a place where dreams, discipline, and dedication grow together. Today, we bring you a special roundup of inspiring activities, achievements, celebrations, and social initiatives conducted at DAV 8 during the month of May 2026. So, let's begin our inspiring journey.
First, 2026 Labor Day celebration, honoring our silent heroes. DAV Senior Secondary Model School, Sector 8 Panchkula celebrated Labor Day with deep respect and heartfelt gratitude for the invaluable contribution of the school support staff. The day was dedicated to honoring the silent heroes whose dedication, sincerity, and tireless efforts ensure the smooth functioning of the institution every single day. The celebration reflected the school's strong belief in the dignity of labor and expressed appreciation for every helping hand working behind the scenes.
Every great institution stands strong because of the silent efforts of hardworking hearts. Thank you, Vamika. And now, let us move towards a proud leadership moment from DAV 8. May 6, 2026. Investiture Ceremony 2026-27. DAV 8 proudly conducted the investiture ceremony for the newly elected school cabinet and House Council of Session 2026-27. With badges pinned, heads held high, the young leaders took the oath to lead with integrity, discipline, and dedication. Principal Ritu Dilbagi encouraged students to become role models and responsible leaders of tomorrow.
Leadership is not about position, it is about action, responsibility, and inspiration. Thank you, Anna. Now it's my turn to share another inspiring update. May 7, 2026. DAV 8 takes a step towards holistic development. Under the visionary leadership of Principal Mam, DAV 8 introduced several innovative initiatives focused on holistic development. Additional outdoor sports periods, yoga sessions, and mindfulness activities have been included in the daily timetable to promote physical fitness, emotional well-being, and discipline among students. Students are actively participating in volleyball, basketball, cricket, chess, yoga, and many other activities with great enthusiasm.
Healthy minds and active bodies create confidence and successful individuals. Thank you, Vamika. And now, let's move towards a colorful and creative celebration. May 8, 2026. Mother's Day Special Art Workshop. DAV Senior Secondary Model School organized a beautiful 2-day art workshop in collaboration with Pidlit Industries on the occasion of Mother's Day. Students enthusiastically participated in hanky painting and creative coaster making activities to express love and gratitude for their mothers. The workshop beautifully reflected creativity, imagination, and heartfelt emotions dedicated to mothers.
Art becomes more beautiful when it carries emotions straight from the heart. Thank you, Anya. Now let us move towards another meaningful awareness initiative. May 8, 2026, World Red Cross Day celebration. Students of DAV 8 celebrated World Red Cross Day with great enthusiasm and awareness. Classes 5th to 7th participated in a first aid box making competition, while classes 5th to 7th participated in a first aid box making competition, while students of classes 8 to 12th confidently demonstrated emergency response skills in first aid demonstration competition. The event spread the message of humanity, compassion, and readiness to help others in times of need.
A small act of kindness can create a big difference in society. Thank you, Vamika. And now let's move towards an important academic update. May 9, 2026. Together Towards Excellence. First PTM session 2026-27. DAV Senior Secondary Model School successfully conducted the first PTM for session 2026-27. Teachers interacted with parents regarding academic progress, classroom performance, syllabus planning, and preparation strategies for upcoming examinations. Parents appreciated the systematic planning and student-centered approach adopted by Team DAV 8. Principal Ma'am emphasized the importance of strong parent-school collaboration for shaping disciplined and confident learners.
When parents and teachers work together, students achieve excellence together. Thank you, Anna. Now it's my turn for another proud achievement of DAV 8. May 9, 2026. Third prize in Inter-School Nukkad Natak competition. DAV Senior Secondary Model School proudly secured the third prize in the Inter-School Nukkad Natak competition organized by Sahayata Charitable Welfare Society. The students presented a powerful street play titled No Nasha Nation, spreading awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco and nicotine addiction. Out of 10 participating schools from Tri-City, DAV 8 impressed everyone with impactful dialogues, teamwork, and a strong social message. The team received a trophy, certificates, and a cash prize of Rs 2,000.
Shines brighter when it is used for a meaningful social cause. Thank you, Amika. And now let us move towards a spiritually enriching program. May 16, 2026. DAV teachers shine at Arya Samaj Spiritual Program. Teachers of DAV Sector 8 enthusiastically participated in a spiritually enriching program organized at Arya Samaj Sector 16D, Chandigarh on the theme Sukhi Jeevan Ka Marg. The program was graced by Chief Guest R.C. Jeevan Ji and Distinguished Speaker Justice Preetam Pal Ji. The soulful Bhajan Sandhya presented by the teachers filled the atmosphere with devotion, positivity, and spiritual energy.
Spiritual values illuminate life with peace, positivity, and purpose. Thank you, Anna. May 17, 2026. A new milestone in educational excellence at DAV 8 Panchkula. The school proudly witnessed the inauguration of the State-of-Art Resource Lab, teachers, educators, and academic support infrastructure by the esteemed director V.K. Chopra ji. Move towards preparations for a grand and inspiring event. May 18, 2026. Preparations underway for empowering youth through Vedic wisdom. DAV Sector 8 Panchkula enthusiastically prepared for the upcoming program Empowering Youth Through Vedic Wisdom, organized by Arya Yuva Samaj. The school was honored by the visit of esteemed V.K. Chopra ji, who reviewed the preparations and appreciated the teamwork and dedication of the staff members. Director Sir especially appreciated the visionary leadership and innovative efforts of Principal Ritu Dilbagi.
Great events are created through discipline, teamwork, and dedication. Thank you, Amika. And now comes the grand highlight of today's bulletin. May 21st, 2026. Empowering Youth Through Vedic Wisdom successfully organized. Under the inspiring mission, No Nasha Nation, DAV Senior Secondary Model School successfully organized the spiritually uplifting program Empowering Youth Through Vedic Wisdom. The program started with a divine lamp lighting ceremony led by esteemed chief guest Yogi Suri ji. The event included DAV Gaan, Vedic bhajans, mantra upcharan, motivational speeches, No Nasha Nation pledge, and an impactful Nukkad Natak spreading awareness against substance abuse. Director V.K. Chopra ji emphasized the importance of moral values, discipline, and Vedic teaching for today's youth. The program concluded with Shanti Path and inauguration of the exhibition No Nasha Nation, Empowering Youth Through Vedic Wisdom.
When youth are empowered with values, the nation moves towards greatness. Here we come with the star readers of the month.
DAV 8 warmly welcome Chairperson Kishni Anand Arora, IAS. Principal Ms. Ritu Dilbagi extended greetings, expressing confidence that her visionary leadership will inspire excellence, innovation, and holistic development. DAV 8 celebrated the successful completion of Principal Ritu Dilbagi's first year of leadership. A Rudraksh sapling plantation ceremony symbolized growth, wisdom, positivity, and continued excellence. National recognition for DAV 8 Panchkula. DAV8 Panchkula proudly earned national acclaim for hosting the impactful No Nasha Nation Empowering Youth Through Vedic Wisdom program. Featured on the front page of Arya Jagat and highlighted across two pages of the Arya Yuva Samaj national newsletter. The event showcased DAV8's unwavering commitment to Vedic values, character building, youth empowerment, and nation building.
With these inspiring achievements and meaningful celebrations, we come to the end of today's special DAV 8 News Bulletin.
Thank you for joining us. Keep supporting the mission of value-based education, cultural awareness, and youth empowerment.
Stay inspired, stay aware, and stay connected with DAV 8 Spotlight. Thank you.